What if I told you that your 2 or 3 year diploma in electronics and communication could land you a job in Ireland paying 45,000 to 75,000 euros per year, with a direct pathway to PR in Europe? And here's the shocking part. There's a massive shortage of skilled technicians in Ireland right now, and most people are still applying the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the exact 2026 work visa strategy, the in-demand roles, and how to bypass middlemen to secure a job offer directly from Ireland. Section 1. Ireland's 2026 electronics boom. Ireland is becoming one of Europe's biggest electronics and semiconductor hubs, and this is creating urgent demand for diploma-level talent. Major global companies like Intel, Analog Devices, and Boston Scientific are expanding operations across Dublin, Cork, and Galway. Here's what changed in 2026. The critical skills occupations list now prioritizes mid-level electronics technicians. Faster visa approvals under streamlined work permit processing. Employers are actively hiring international diploma holders, not just degree graduates. If you have practical ECE skills, you now have a real advantage over general degree holders. Section 2. High-demand jobs for diploma holders. Let's talk about the roles that are actually getting sponsorship. 1. Telecommunications and 6G infrastructure. Ireland is preparing for 6G rollout, especially in Cork and Dublin. Roles include RF technicians, network hardware engineers, and telecom field specialists. Salary: 50,000 to 70,000 euros per year. 2. Electronics manufacturing, medical devices. Cities like Galway are booming with medical electronics manufacturing. Companies need PCB assembly technicians, quality control engineers, and embedded systems technicians. Salary: 45,000 to 65,000 euros per year. 3. Smart energy and grid systems. Ireland is heavily investing in renewable energy and smart grids. Roles include control systems technicians, IoT device specialists, and maintenance engineers. Salary: 50,000 to 75,000 euros per year. These are not future jobs. These are urgent vacancies right now. Section 3. Direct job pathway strategy. Now here's where most people fail. They rely on agents. Instead, follow this direct pathway strategy. Step 1. Use government-backed portals. Start with the official Tech Ireland platform and verified employer listings. Focus only on companies that offer visa sponsorship, are part of Ireland's Trusted Partner Initiative. Step 2. Target the trusted partner employers. These companies can skip labor market testing, meaning faster hiring, higher visa approval rates. Step 3. Build an ATS-optimized CV. Your CV must highlight hands-on lab experience. Tools like MATLAB, PLC, SCADA certifications in embedded systems, or telecom. You can reach out to us to create your ATS CV and cover letter and other documents for you. Pro tip: Irish employers prefer practical skills over theory. Step 4. Apply for contract-based roles. Once selected, your employer will issue a job contract which directly triggers your employment permit application. Section 4. Work visa requirements. To qualify for Ireland's 2026 work visa, here's what you need. Salary threshold: minimum 38,000 to 45,000 euros per year for technical roles. Required documents: valid passport, diploma certificate, ECE or related field, job offer letter, updated CV, and health insurance proof. Now for the application system. Everything is processed through Ireland's Employment Permit System, EPS. Key advantage in 2026. Faster approvals for critical skills roles. Section 5. After landing in Ireland. Once you arrive, here's what to do immediately. Step 1. Apply for PPS number. This is your tax and employment ID. Step 2. Find accommodation. Focus on tech hubs like Dublin, Cork, and Galway. Step 3. Start your PR journey. With a critical skills work permit, apply for permanent residency after 2 years. and eventually qualify for EU long-term residence. Step 4. Join networking communities. Look for groups of electronics engineers and international technicians. This helps you switch jobs and grow faster. So here's the reality. Ireland is one of the few countries in 2026 actively hiring diploma holders. You don't need expensive agents. And if you follow this strategy, you can go from a diploma to a European PR pathway. If you want, I can create a step-by-step CV template and a list of companies currently hiring with visa sponsorship. Just comment below Ireland 2026 along with your job profile. And don't forget to subscribe, because I break down real immigration pathways that actually work.